Hello, everyone. Nolan is here today to help me. You want to say hi, Nolan?
Hi.
We are going to do a little demonstration of using greatness cards. These were created by Tammi Van Hollander, and we're just going to kind of show how you could use them in your play therapy time, especially to help work with kids on identifying their strengths and you learning about their strengths and they learning about their strengths, which is really important. So Nolan has agreed to help me kind of do a little run through of one way that you can use these cards. Of course, there are many ways, probably ideas you could just come up with on your own, but we're going to demonstrate one of the ways that is an instruction actually that comes with the cards. So this is a little box of cards, and inside you have all the greatness cards. And these are basically just like qualities, strengths, things you may be good at, and the words are listed on each card. So we're going to play a little game with this. Nolan, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so we got to pass out some cards first. We're each going to get 5, okay? Let's make sure you have 5. Make sure I count it correctly. I have 5 too, and we'll keep them in our hand and keep them to ourselves, okay? And not let the other person see. But you want to read what you have on your cards, okay? So you know what they are.
Is it like Uno?
It's no, not really so much like Uno. But what we are going to do is ask some questions, and then we'll each play our card for that question, okay?
All of mine are similar except one.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's
They all have the
see.
same background design except one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Mine are all, I think, kind of different. Maybe we'll switch card decks. You want to switch card decks? Okay. Well, I've never
Wait, no,
done
I
this
don't wanna
before.
switch.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. First question of these 5,
I had to
right?
philosophize.
You had to really
How do you put that in past tense?
I don't know, philosophied. I don't know. You had to think about like you're thinking now. Okay, so we got to use the 5 we've got, right? So out of the 5, which of these qualities do you feel like you possess? Let's say which one you think you possess the most of. Okay, we'll choose one. Oh boy. Okay, I think I got mine. Do you have yours?
Yes.
You want me to go first?
Is there a card that says eating bread?
There are blank cards. We could write eating bread on one of them, and you might be the only person.
Nice.
Well, actually, I would probably choose that one too. But I chose friendly out of my 5.
I chose smart.
Oh, cool. So what made you choose that one?
The others I didn't think went well.
Okay, all right. Well, smart.
Definitely not focused.
Okay, but smart is a good one for
Yes.
you, right? And friendly was a good one for me. Okay, how about this? Of the 5, what is one that you wish that maybe you had more of? Oh, I know mine.
What do you mean, like I had more cards?
Or you mean like you were more like that?
Like I wanted to have a funny card.
I know. Funny is in here somewhere, but neither one of us drew that card.
Which one is it?
Of these 5, what's one that you wish you had more of? If you, maybe you don't wish you had more of any of those though.
I don't think I would want any more.
Okay.
I just started to yawn and stopped.
I saw that. Well, I chose this one, creative. I'd like to be a little more creative, especially like be able to paint and draw better.
I'd like to be a little more smart.
Oh, we could use the same card.
I'm definitely holding it right side up.
So you feel like you're pretty smart? but you'd also like to be even more smart.
I am definitely holding this card right side up. Definitely.
Oh, it just looks backwards upside down on the video.
Yes.
All right.
This is definitely upside down. Definitely.
All right. Well, you know what? We can keep asking questions using these same 5 cards, which is a game that I do play a lot with a lot of kids. And like we identified, one of your strengths is smart, which is so true, right? It really is.
I hate that feeling when you start to sneeze and then just stop. It's so annoying.
It is annoying. But you know, we could go through, we won't right now, but we could go through the whole deck and lay them out and narrow down like your top 10 things that you think that you are good at, or that are you, or that are your strengths. And one of those cards I know would be at the top of your list just because I know you, and it would be this one right here. Funny. What do you think?
Yes.
But there are a lot of games you could create, or a lot of other ideas in the instructions that come with the card deck for how to use these with kids to help them see what they're good at, identify who they think they are in terms of these different kind of characteristics. And, you know, we also just call them strengths. So this is sort of an example of how these cards can be used. If you're interested in getting any, again, this is what they look like. Tammi Van Hollander is the creator, and you can get them at mainlineplaytherapy.com. That's where you would order them. So I think we're done. I think we've demonstrated. What do you say?
Yes.
Good job. Anything else to say before we wrap it up?
No.
Okay, I think that says it all. All right. Thank you.